Welcome to Smart Saving, building your safety net in San Diego's high-cost living. We all know San Diego is an amazing place to live, but it's also expensive. From rent and gas to groceries and childcare, the cost of living can be overwhelming. Today is all about giving you tools and confidence to build a financial safety net, whether you're starting from scratch or getting back on track. Saving doesn't have to be complicated or reserved for high earners. You can build savings even with a tight or irregular income. Let's start by answering a really important question. Why save at all, especially when money already feels tight? The truth is, emergencies and big life events can happen anytime. A surprise medical bill, a flat tire, a lost job, or even something positive like needing to move quickly for a new opportunity. When you don't have savings, these events can feel like a financial crisis. But when you do have even a little bit set aside, you're more likely to handle the situation with less stress and more control. Saving gives you options. It's not about having a huge safety net overnight. It's about giving yourself breathing room. And the good news? You don't have to start big. Even $5 or $10 a week can build momentum. Over time, small, consistent savings can grow into something really powerful. Let's start with the foundation: an emergency fund. This is your life happens money for things like car repairs, medical bills, or a job loss. Start with a mini goal, like $500 to $1,000. Over time, aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. It should be in a separate savings account so it's not mixed in with your spending money. And remember, this fund is for real emergencies, not vacations or impulse buys. The easiest way to save is to make it automatic. If you get direct deposit, split your paycheck so a portion goes straight into savings. Even $10 a week adds up to over $500 in a year, and you may not even miss it. Automating your savings helps make it a habit. Once it's set, you're building your safety net without having to think about it. Now let's talk about expected expenses. Things like buying a car, going back to school, or planning a wedding. These aren't emergencies, but they still require planning. The key is to set a goal, break it down into monthly chunks, and save consistently. By preparing ahead of time, you can avoid using credit and stay in control of your finances. If your income isn't the same every month, or if it feels like there's just not enough, saving can feel impossible. But there are ways to make it work. Try saving a percentage of whatever you earn, rather than a fixed dollar amount. Use windfalls, like tax refunds or bonuses, to boost savings. And remember, saving something is always better than nothing. Don't aim for perfect, just start. Life doesn't always go according to plan. Maybe you lost a job, had a baby, or took on new caregiving responsibilities. When that happens, revisit your savings goals and ask, does this goal still make sense? Do I need to slow it down or change it entirely? Your goals should adjust with your life, not the other way around. If you can't meet your weekly savings target, don't give up. Just adjust. Maybe you stretch out the timeline or lower the target. If a goal no longer feels important, that's okay too. Goals should reflect your values and priorities today. Used up your emergency fund? That means it worked. Now you can rebuild. Maybe even stronger this time. Public benefits like SNAP, Medi-Cal, or WIC can be essential support. They can help you free up cash to save or pay down debt. But they do come with limits. For example, SNAP can only be used on food, but if you qualify and haven't applied, it's worth checking. These programs are meant to support stability, and saving is part of that. Here are a few quick hacks you can try. Use an app that rounds up purchases and saves the change. Try a no-spend challenge once a week. Cancel subscriptions you're not using. Check if your credit union offers tools, calculators, or auto-savings features. Sometimes small tweaks can lead to big results over time. Let's wrap up with a challenge. Choose one small step to start today. It could be opening a separate savings account, setting up an auto transfer, or writing down your savings goal. Remember, this journey is personal. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to start. Your safety net is built $1, one decision, one step at a time. Thank you. We hope you found this information helpful and got some great takeaways for you to apply to your personal situations. Feel free to reach out to me directly with any questions or advice. You can also visit eastcountyschools.org to learn more about our financial solutions tailored to education employees.